Between 2009 and 2011, China invested $70 billion in the country's medical system. The three-year medical reform plan aimed to establish basic medical insurance for the Chinese population. According to ministry reports, by the end of 2011, over 95% of the country's population was covered by basic medical insurance programs. However, despite the progress China has made in its medical system, there are still problems, among them overuse of expensive devices and overprescribing medicine. The coronary stent, a medical device used in heart surgeries, made news earlier this year when a senior Chinese minister claimed that the device had profit margins that were higher than illegal drugs. Statistical data from the China Medical Surgical Implants Committee showed that last year there were more than 400,000 cardiac surgeries in China, representing a 20-fold increase from a decade ago. Not every cardiac surgery used the coronary stent, but when it was used, the average patient needed multiple stents during the course of the surgery. Last year, the total number of coronary stents sold was approximately 650,000. In an interview with China National Radio, Hu Dai, one of China's foremost cardiovascular specialists, said that in some Chinese hospitals there is, quote, a superstitious belief in the coronary stent and worshiping of the heart bypass surgery. With a price tag between $3,000 and $6,000 US, Hu points out that doctors and hospitals can enjoy a hefty margin from every device sold. According to the Guangzhou Daily, earlier this year during the central government's plenary sessions, Dong Xieliang, a member of the Chinese People's Consultative Committee, made headlines by saying that the coronary stent enjoyed higher margins than illegal drugs. Dong said the manufacturing cost of a domestically made coronary stent is under $500. However, the average price charged to patients per device is about $4,000. The cost to the manufacturer to make an imported stent is about $1,000, but when sold to patients at a hospital, the price charged is $6,000. Dong pointed out that the huge profit margins made selling the coronary stent more lucrative than selling heroin. According to a report from the Guangzhou Daily, in the West, few patients need more than 3 coronary stents during a single cardiac surgery. In China, however, many patients are sold up to 5 stents per operation. In one extreme case, a Chengdu hospital used 17 coronary stents on one patient, creating what Chinese media have referred to as the, quote, Great Metal Wall case. China National Radio claims that the abuse of coronary stents is only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to overtreatment in Chinese hospitals. Don't go away, because when we come back, we'll discuss the problem of overprescribing medicine. Stay tuned.